In today's video, we're going to show you how to recover the password for your master user in Iperius Remote. You can recover or change your password in two ways. The first is from the administrative area login page. By clicking the Reset Password button, you'll need to enter your master account username, not the one used to log in to the Iperius website. If you reset your password, you'll receive an email with a link to set a new one. Alternatively, once you're logged into the administrative area, you can change your password from your user profile settings. Make sure to select the admin user in order to change or recover the password. Then, enter your new password and confirm it to complete the reset process.